Alright, yeah, so what we did today, right here where this dot is, that was the trailhead there. And so we did a loop and we summited 3 peaks, each of them over, I think 4,000. New Hampshire has like a list of, I can't remember, 50 or so peaks that are over 4,000. That people try to all summit. It's kind of their goal. It's kind of like their version of the, Colorado 14ers. And so today we summited 3 of those. This is where I took most of the pictures, was on the, right here on the northern summit here at 40. Yeah, so quick update on the camping spot, a little fire ring here. So this road right here, it's through the White Mountain National Forest, and you just pay a fee to kind of reserve a spot, kind of first come first serve. And all along this road, it's a 6-mile road, they have little pull-offs and tent camping sites and stuff. So I bought a reservation for the full week, and it's really cheap on the actual weekdays versus weekends. So I got it until Friday for 20 bucks. T-Mobile at my cell service, and I also have Verizon for my jetpack for data, because I'm going to do computer work this afternoon as well as tomorrow. Computer day, I guess you can call it. Went through, edited all the pictures and stuff. For those of you that don't know, so I do bookkeeping, QuickBooks Online. So I'm gonna be doing client work today. I'm still at this campsite, or I guess on this National Forest Road. It's pretty much gonna be raining all day long. Yeah, kind of cool. Just chilling in the van. Got the fan going up here in the rain, and do some work in the parking lot, packing up real quick. Night class, no gi. White Mountain Jiu-Jitsu. So really awesome, guys. Excited for tonight's class. Yeah, so it's the middle of the night basically. Just used that solar shower up there, just hung it up in the side of my van. I'm in the National Forest again. Took a nice shower. And it's pitch black, raining a little bit. I'm taking hygiene seriously, especially with jiu-jitsu. There's staff and all that stuff. So well, it was quite the experience. checked the weather radar and the nasty stuff was supposed to be gone, but it wasn't quite when we got up here. So I went down a little bit up to lower elevation, went back up again, and it's gotten worse. I guess that gives us an excuse to head back down into the warm and dry van. Found a good camp spot here. Got my clothes hanging up. Toby's getting fed, as you can hear. Got all my stuff drying out. Got a nice candle going. And then, so my electronics are not soaked, but pretty wet. So I'm gonna take everything out, take everything apart, have it all dry, and then charge everything up for tomorrow morning. Using these, so I got these USB chargers here. Saw this little footpath off of the trail. I didn't know if it was like a game trail or what it was, if it was anything. We walked up it. Happy we did, 'cause it's pretty cool. You get a nice view of the mountain range here. Pretty cool. So now we're gonna hike back down the mountain and then probably lay down in the bed in the van right at the trailhead. Just did a deep clean of the van, so looks pretty nice. Looks pretty clean. It's crazy how fast it gets dirty. Such a small space, living in it. At the same time, it's quick to clean because it's also so small. So I just basically took everything out, set it outside right here, and then, you know, swept it, cleaned it, all that good stuff. And then I brushed Toby and bathed him. So I just have some waterless shampoo stuff to clean him. And then I cleaned myself. So I'll show you this. So I just used the solar shower. I keep it up on my dash up front, and it gets heated by the sun. And then this tube comes down here, and I have this like privacy tent pop-up thing. And then you see the hose right there. And then it actually flows pretty good, and I can just adjust the flow right there to stop it and start it. And got a little pocket here. I can keep my shampoo, soap, all that stuff, hang my towel here. So that's how I showered. Found there's this little tiny path right up there. So right over that hill there is where the van's parked. It's a pretty cool spot. So it's a real flat area for like tent camping, I guess. There's a fire pit here, a couple beers, my speaker, my Bluetooth speaker. So I'm just sitting here having a couple of beers, listening to music, watching the sunset by the water. And it's pretty cool. The following morning is when I'm heading to Maine. So I'll probably call this something like New Hampshire, White Mountain, you know, part 1. Because after I'm in Maine for give or take a week, my plan is to come back here. I'll probably stay in the same spot, at least for most of the time. And then I have a few trips planned, some backpacking trips, some kind of at least 3-day wilderness trips. So I'm really looking forward to that. And I'll be posting all that, including Maine and everything as well, coming up. So, but anyway, I thought this would be a good time, even though I'm not leaving until 2 mornings from now. Figured this would probably be a good way to close out this video.